When life gets tough, what do you do? What can you do when situation is beyond your control? Ask yourself a few questions. Any one of us will not live a life that is under our control entirely. Coping with hardship, learning to handle a situation that gets out of hand, knowing what to do when your plan is not going according to what you want is very important. In this video, we will share about what you can do and how to handle when life is hard. Hey everyone, I'm Wong. I'm a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. Sometimes when life gives us hardship, we have unhealthy responses. We get angry at the world and we can even lash out. Do you blame others if something goes wrong? Are you always getting angry and upset? Do you sulk? As we know, there are many unhealthy responses. It will alienate you from others and prevent you from fixing the problem or the situation. And learning from our mistakes is difficult if we don't learn from what we have in terms of the response. Do you perhaps start to be impatient, or you give up and stop trying? Troubling and troublesome responses can mean that you will not reach your goal and that you will give up early. How can we handle difficult areas of the hardship that happens in our life? And how we handle them also says a lot about us. Even if we don't do the best job, it is never too late to change the pattern that we have in dealing with hardships in life, and we can also create a new pattern. We can avoid our issues. We can also not blame others or give up. Instead, this is what we need to do. We need to face them directly and take responsibility. Try new ways of handling difficult situations. Promise yourself to weather the storm without any anger and without surrender. Ask yourself, what can help you to stand strong in the face of hardship and issues in your life? What can support you? It can be as easily as shifting our perception, or it can also be you taking responsibility and take in mind that the hardships are not as bad as they seem. Any obstacles in your way won't be there forever. They will not last forever. The challenges that comes, use the time to learn about what makes the situation more complex. Recognize and prevent the complex and hard situations in the future. As we know, all changes and a bad day today doesn't mean that tomorrow is just as bad. You are far more likely to see positive change if you take this in mind. Look out for the silver lining in every hardship. Go and get what you have in life and consider them to be good and appreciate them. Make the choice and commitment to become more resilient because it is within our control. Sometimes that is all what it takes for you to knock out the hard times in life. Till the next video, happy and make life massive.